What up guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to get WhatsApp and YouTube to work on your Blackberry 10 device in 2019. So let's get started. First, you're going to want to go to the link that I'm going to be providing in the description and download the YouTube APK. You guys could see, hit download and you should start to download the APK for YouTube. And there you go. Once it's finished downloading, you're going to connect your Blackberry device to your computer, or you could do it through your Blackberry too if you guys don't have a computer. So I'm going to hit, let me see, I'm going to go to my Blackberry. I'm going to go to my downloads folder. There's where I'm going to put mine. You guys can put it wherever you guys want it. I'm going to click show in folder. I'm going to hit copy, and we are going to paste it to our downloads folder or whatever folder you guys choose to on your Blackberry. And there you go guys. So now let's switch back to the Blackberry so I could show you guys what to do next. So now that we're in the Blackberry, you're going to want to go to your file manager, and depending on where you guys put it in your internal or SD card, you would go to it. I put mine in the SD card, so I go to media card, I go to my downloads, and you should see the YouTube APK there. Press on it or click on it, whatever, and install it. By the way, this is only going to work if you guys follow the other tutorial I made on how to get the Google Play services to work on your Blackberry. This is the only way YouTube is going to work, so follow that tutorial and then come back to this one if you haven't done it already. So you hit install. You guys can see. There you go, installing. There. So it's installed in your Blackberry. So now you're gonna go for it. Let me see, right here. Click on it, and this is the YouTube for Android. Cause you guys know, kind of like the Blackberry YouTube app that it has kind of sucks because it doesn't let you change the resolution, and it's not the same thing, you know. On this one you could change the resolution. You can have it on 144p, 240p, 360p, 7p, 720p, and there you go guys. You would log into whatever account you guys have, and there you go. YouTube working perfectly fine. You guys can see. Let me load up a video real quick. Let's see. No. Let's go to one of my videos actually. So go to Cito Games. And there you go. And there you go. You click on your video and it works. Everything works fine. There you go. And you guys could see it kind of lags a little bit, but that's just because I barely installed it. But it shouldn't be, it shouldn't lag after you guys have it installed and set up. And as you guys could see, you could go to quality and then switch it to whatever quality you guys want. I don't know if you guys could see that. Let me see. Is the camera picking that up? Yeah, there you go. See that? So yeah, that's how to get YouTube to work on your Blackberry 10 device. So now you close it. And I'm gonna show you how to get WhatsApp now to work. What you're gonna want to do, oh, and you're gonna need an SD card for this to work, for the WhatsApp to work. So if you guys don't have an SD card, you guys are gonna need one for this to work. So you're gonna go to the Play Store. And you're gonna look for WhatsApp. Click on it. And you're gonna hit install, accept, and you just wait. Hopefully you guys could see everything good. I'm recording this with the GoPro, so I'm not too sure how the quality is gonna be. But hopefully you guys could see everything good though. And like I said, this is only gonna work if you guys follow the tutorial that I did before this one. Otherwise it won't work. You hit install. Accept. Oh yeah, and by the way guys, if you guys didn't know, Blackberry is gonna stop supporting I believe the Blackberry 10 devices. They're gonna close down the Blackberry app world this year. I'm not too sure when they said it was, but they are gonna close it, so we won't be able to download any apps from the Blackberry anymore. So I recommend doing this before the Blackberry app world gets closed. It's gonna suck. It's gonna really suck. There you go. You guys have that up. Don't open it yet though, after it's installed. And this is what I mean. You're gonna have to go to your Blackberry app world now and open it up. And there you go. Look. Here's where it tells you important changes. Oh, refunds, yeah. As you guys may know, they took out the paying system for it, so you can't buy any apps anymore. Everything's basically for free. But anyway, now you're gonna go to search, and you're gonna look for this WhatsApp 10 Fixer. And you're gonna want to download this one right here, What's Fixer. Hit download and install it. Press OK. And open it. Go to it right here, What's Up or What's Fixer. And what you're gonna do is swipe to the left. Make sure you haven't opened WhatsApp yet, but if you did, you would just click close right here. Make sure it's closed before you do this. You swipe left and you put fix Android WhatsApp. Click on it and that should be it. And there you go guys. That's how you get WhatsApp to work in 2019. Now you guys could open it. Now you guys will be able to open it and just set it up. Let me set mine up real quick guys. You basically just set it up like you would in any Android phone. You put your number, get the verification code, and that's about it. So now that you set up your WhatsApp and did the verification code and everything, you should be able to get in and basically just use it like nothing. You could do video calls, you could do calls, send pictures, receive pictures, send GIF to, basically everything you could do. For some reason though, when you do get a call or when you do make a call to one of your contacts or a video call, after you hang up, it will crash, and it will continue to crash if you don't delete your your call history. So basically you gotta delete your call history. So like, let me show you right here. My call, I'll give you guys an example. Let's see this call. Let me call my brother real quick, hang up. There you go, see? As soon as you hang up, it'll crash. Just hit OK, whatever. Go back to it. Go back. I know in a lot of videos they don't tell you this, but yeah. So you go right here. You guys see that? Your calls. You would delete this. Otherwise, if you try to open the chat again with the same contact that called you or you made a call, whatever, it will crash. So basically that's how you fix that issue. You would just delete, go to your calls and delete your history, and you should be fine after that. I know in some of the videos that I seen on YouTube, they don't explain to you like what to do. So when I first did this and I didn't know, I thought that my phone was messed up or the app didn't get installed right. But after just messing around with it, I found out that if you delete your call history and open your chat, you could open your chat again and chat like anything. And basically that's it. So yeah guys, that's basically it. That's how you get YouTube and WhatsApp to work in 2019 on your Blackberry 10 device. And I recommend doing this before the Blackberry app world closes down. I'm not too sure if there's still gonna be a way to download apps from the Blackberry or maybe back them up or something, but I recommend doing this before they close it down. You guys may know, like I told you guys. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.